Oxides of carbon. The main important oxides of carbon are carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide, and it also have one more oxide, it is carbon suboxide. First we'll discuss about carbon monoxide, and in this we'll see preparation, structure, and chemical properties and physical properties. First we will see preparation of carbon monoxide. First one, using formic acid. Heating of formic acid with sulfuric acid, it undergoing dehydration process and gives carbon monoxide and release water. And second preparation, passing carbon dioxide on red hot carbon, it also produces carbon monoxide. Now the balanced equation is C plus CO2, it gives two carbon monoxides. So these are the preparation methods in laboratory. To prepare large scale carbon monoxide in industries, they use different method, that is water gas reaction. In this, water vapor passed on red hot carbon at particular temperature, it produces carbon monoxide and water vapor. And the condition should be maintained particular temperature. So this reaction is called water gas reaction. This is the oxidation reaction. Oxidation of carbon by using water vapor. So now we'll see the physical properties of carbon monoxide. So this carbon monoxide is colorless, odorless, and it's a neutral gaseous oxide. This will be highly poisonous, and it is sparingly soluble in water and soluble in ethanol and in benzene. Chemical properties of carbon monoxide. First chemical property, it burns in air and produce carbon dioxide. In air, oxygen present, it react with oxygen in air and form carbon dioxide, and it act as a metallurgical reducing agent. It converts metal oxides to elemental metal. Example, copper oxide reaction with carbon monoxide at high temperature, it produce elemental copper and release carbon dioxide. One more example, Fe2O3 upon reaction with carbon monoxide at high temperature, it gives elemental iron and release carbon dioxide. Carbon monoxide have wide industrial application. It used as fuel, and this carbon monoxide has capable to bind with hemoglobin in our body. Whenever it carbon monoxide bind with hemoglobin, it disturb the metabolic activities in body and it forms strong bond. It is very difficult to break. So these are the chemical properties of carbon monoxide. Now we'll see structure. See this carbon electronic configuration and oxygen electronic configuration. In carbon have 4 valency electrons and oxygen have 6 valency electrons. So this can be capable to form triple bond. See, triple bond oxygen, and it has extra electrons on carbon and oxygen. So it have resonating structures. See double bond O. Total 10 valency electrons present around carbon monoxide. Now we'll see carbon dioxide. It is also an important oxide of carbon, and it present in atmosphere. It is produced by respiration and combustion reactions, and this produced carbon dioxide is utilized by plants in photosynthesis process. Preparation methods of carbon dioxide. Heating of metal carbonates produce carbon dioxide and metal oxides. In these metals are alkaline earth metals, not alkali. Example: calcium, magnesium. First we'll take calcium carbonate. Upon heating it producing carbon dioxide and calcium oxide. Second preparation, and this carbon dioxide also produced in a fermentation of glucose. In preparation of alcohols, carbon dioxide released as byproduct. In this ethanol produced and carbon dioxide is a byproduct. Carbon dioxide also released when metallic carbonates reaction with dilute mineral acids. Example: calcium carbonate upon reaction with HCl, it produces salt. Along with that, water and carbon dioxide will be released. Carbon dioxide. We know carbon has 4 valency electrons and oxygen have 6 valency electrons. These 4 valency electrons of carbon form 2 double bonds with 2 oxygens, and the structure is linear. It has 180-degree bond angle. We know carbon electronic configuration: helium 2s2 2p2. It has 4 valency electrons, 2 electrons present in s orbital and 2 electrons present in p orbital. In excited state, one of the electron from s orbital will move to or transfer to p orbital. In this, one s orbital and one p orbital undergo hybridization to form two sp hybrid orbitals. And we know oxygen electronic configuration: helium 2s2 2p4. It has 2 unpaired electrons. In that, one p orbital forms sigma bond with one of the sp orbital, and one more p orbital electron forms sigma bond with another sp hybrid orbital, and remaining one electron in another p orbital form pi bond with remaining p electrons in carbon. Unhybridized p orbital forming pi bond with p orbital of oxygen. This is about hybridization of carbon dioxide. And the hybridization of carbon in carbon dioxide is sp hybridization. Physical properties of carbon dioxide. Same like carbon monoxide, it is colorless, odorless. It's soluble in water, in ethanol, and in acetone. But in carbon monoxide, it doesn't soluble in water. So this carbon dioxide is also called greenhouse gas, and water vapor, carbon dioxide are greenhouse gases, and the increase in its level it causes greenhouse effect. Chemical properties of carbon dioxide. First chemical property: carbon dioxide upon reaction with water it produce acids. These are called oxyacids. And this carbon dioxide reaction with the alkali it produce carbonates and bicarbonates. Example, we can take sodium bicarbonate, sodium carbonate, calcium carbonate, like that. And this carbon dioxide reaction with base it produce salt, that is sodium bicarbonate. And the sodium bicarbonate reaction with sodium hydroxide it produce sodium carbonate and water. Uses. In large scale, this carbon dioxide used as refrigeration. We know dry ice. Solid carbon dioxide is called dry ice, which is used in refrigeration. Carbonated drinks. We know very well. In that carbon dioxide is used, and it is used as fire extinguisher. Next, carbon suboxide. It is prepared by reaction of malonic acid with P4O10 at 140 degree to 150 degree centigrade heating. It produces carbon suboxide, and the condition should be maintained in vacuum. Structure of carbon suboxide is C double bond C double bond C double bond left double bond O. It is a linear structure. At 25 degrees centigrade, this carbon suboxide is unstable and it undergo polymerization and produced colored compounds. Solid products it form. And the stable condition is minus 78 degrees. Whenever this carbon suboxide exposed to UV light, it produces ketene. It's very reactive oxide. This carbon suboxide slowly react with water and produce acids, and it is a pol smelling compound. This is about oxides of carbon. Thank you.